Next question, I ask you to simplify, and right away a lot of you put the X next to your name. For this one, you need to know how to simplify this kind of expression. Now, it's pretty simple. If I have a to the power of n over a to the power of m, this would turn to be a to the power of what? Let me ask those of you with the microphone. Eric, you want to try that? What do you get here? You don't know? Okay, let's see. Shanisha, how about you? What do we do with m and n?
Subtract.
Very good. Yeah, you subtract. It would be n minus m. You have to remember that. Okay, now at the end, if I get a negative exponent, by the way, this would be over 1, goes to the top of the fraction. If I have a negative exponent, this would turn to 1 over a to the power of plus, and that's how you change the negative exponents to positive exponents. You need to know these two properties to simplify this. So the first one, I get a to the power of 3 over a to the power of negative 2. So this would be a to the power of 3 minus 2 according to this property. Next one would be b to the power of, remember the exponent here is 1. So that would be 1 minus 2. And then next one I would get c to the power of negative 4 minus 3. The whole thing should raise to the power of negative 1 later. So this would be a plus. It would be a to the power of 3 plus 2 would be 5. B to the power of 1 minus 2 would be minus 1. C to the power of minus 4 minus 3, negative 7. The whole thing should be raised to the power of negative 1. Can I see a check mark next to your name if you all can follow up to this point, please? If you add one more property, a to the power of n, then to the power of m. Okay, what are we going to do with the exponents here? Eric, do you know this one? Okay, Eric says to add them. No. We add them if you have a to the power of n times a to the power of m. This is when you add the exponents. In this case, you multiply them. It would be n times m. So in this case, all these need to be multiply each other. So it would be a to the power of minus 5, b to the power of 1, c to the power of 7, and it's all over 1. So I need to make all of these a positive exponent. So a to the power of negative 5 becomes a to the power of positive 5 if I bring it down to the bottom of the fraction, and b and c to the power of 7, you can leave it alone, both have a positive exponent. So this is how you simplify that. Can I see a check mark next to your name if you all can follow this? Again, all these problems that I'm showing you now is in the take-home test number 2. Make sure to review them before the next exam.